Picture this for a second: a factory floor. Heavy machines humming, conveyor belts moving, and walking between workstations, Wayo is a humanoid robot. Not behind a cage, not teleoperated, just working. This isn't sci-fi. This is happening right now inside China's first 5G-enabled wind power smart factory. Meet UBTEC's Walker S2, deployed at Sany Renewable Energy, and yes, it's doing real factory work. Here's what makes this wild. Walker S2 doesn't roll. It walks like a human. It moves station to station on its own, navigating the factory floor without anyone guiding it. No joystick, no safety escort, just autonomous movement in a live industrial environment. And when it reaches a workstation, it doesn't freeze. It gets to work. Precise component sorting, careful handling of parts, adaptive manipulation on the assembly line. This robot isn't repeating one canned motion. It's adjusting in real time, changing posture, shifting balance, responding to what's actually happening around it. Watch closely and you'll see it step over floor markings, subtly lean forward, squat low, then lift again. Smooth, controlled, confident. That balance isn't accidental. Walker S2 uses a whole-body dynamic balance system that lets it bend deep, pitch forward dramatically, and still stay stable while lifting up to 15 kilograms. That's not a demo trick, that's factory-grade movement. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. This factory is fully 5G connected. That means Walker S2 isn't working in isolation. It's part of a connected system, sharing data, coordinating tasks, and reacting instantly without lag. Its vision system? Think human eyes, but digital. Binocular RGB cameras combined with deep learning depth perception give it accurate spatial awareness, so it knows exactly where objects are, how far away they are, and how to interact safely in a shared workspace. No bumping, no hesitation, no guesswork. And this isn't a one-off experiment. In December, UBTEC rolled out its 1000th Walker S2, marking a serious shift from prototype to production. Major global players are already paying attention. Airbus has purchased Walker S2 to evaluate it for aircraft manufacturing. Texas Instruments is already testing it on production lines, different industries. Same question: can humanoid robots handle real work? China's answer is clear. This isn't about replacing people tomorrow. It's about building factories that can adapt, factories where robots handle physically demanding, repetitive, or high-precision tasks while staying flexible. Wind energy, clean manufacturing, smart automation, all converging in one walking machine. So when you see Walker S2 moving through that factory, remember, this isn't the future knocking. It already walked in.